What's up? Been on the road all day. Just taking a little break because I just don't want to get too tired in the car. Me and Lena went home to LZ, so we're almost in PEI. We're just before the bridge, but we had to go home because it was my uncle's funeral, and obviously I didn't really get to film anything. So today's vlog will be pretty short, but had a few minutes here, so I figured I'd try something. Just in like the big parking lot where trucks stop if it's too windy on the bridge. They can't let them go across. But it's snowing pretty good, so I just want to take it slow. Don't want to rush home, you know. But drive's going well. Gonna be home in about an hour and a half. Gonna stop in Summerside, pick up some food for me and Lena, head back home, get some dog food. But yeah, lots of snow. One thing I can reflect on is kind of like my whole career, you know, becoming a cinematographer and doing film, and just kind of how that journey began. Because I was back home today and I had a conversation with a friend of mine, Tegan, and he was just talking about getting into documentary and stuff, or just film. He wanted to make a short film with me. I was like, fuck, I'm so down for that. Love to make a movie, but just like the fact that I could, at this point in my career, kind of have the ability to do that, you know? Like I feel like I'm slowly getting to a point where I can pick and choose what I want to do. I feel like that's a good spot to be at. I think one of the biggest reasons for that success is just surrounding yourself with people that kind of uplift you, you know? Like I have a business partner. I don't think I'd be where I am today if we didn't start the business together. So I feel like if you're thinking about it, maybe try a partnership with someone. But like I was saying earlier, the guy from back home wants to do short film. But yeah, like finding people that can uplift you. What was I talking about? Oh, making the short film. But yeah, we talked about making a film specific to like Mi'kmaq people, because I find, you know, making indigenous films can be a hard thing, and we can be misrepresented it so easily. There's really no one out there making Mi'kmaq films that I know of. Yeah, just like I would love to make like a drama, like feature, or some kind of like heartbreak story or love story, I don't know, but make it on the res, specifically mine. I'd love to do that, that'd be cool. Holy fucking snow, man. Maybe do it in the winter. This fucking sucks. Jesus. Oh my god. You seeing this shit right now?